Welcome to DealHub. In this video, we'll take a quick look and understand what is sales as a process. What is sales? At its core, sales is the process of exchanging goods or services for money, but in a modern B2B environment, it's much more. It's the strategic engine that drives revenue through relationship building and problem solving. It starts with prospecting, where you identify potential customers. From there, post-qualification, leads move through the funnel, followed by sales demo, making the pitch, handling objections, and finally closing the deal. The stage of closing the deal is where the magic happens. Sales teams navigate complex negotiations, pricing, and contracts to turn a prospect into a customer. The job doesn't end at the signature. In SaaS, sales includes keeping customers happy through renewals and identifying opportunities for upselling, and that's called retention. Let's take a look at the buyer's journey in sales. Phase 1, awareness, the problem stage. The buyer realizes they have a specific pain point or a challenge. They begin to understand the symptoms of their problem. The sales goal is to provide value and insight without a hard sell by positioning yourself as a thought leader. Phase 2, consideration, the solution stage. The buyer has defined their problem and is now researching the different categories of solutions available. They are comparing different approaches. The sales goal is to help the buyer evaluate their options and show how your specific category of solution addresses their unique needs. Phase 3, decision, the provider stage. The buyer has chosen a solution category and is now narrowing down a list of specific vendors. They are looking at reviews, case studies, and final pricing. The sales goal is to provide social proof, clear documentation, and a frictionless closing process to make the final yes as easy as possible. What are the sales channels and strategies? Businesses reach customers through various channels such as direct sales, inbound marketing, or partners. These are powered by strategies like account-based marketing or value-based selling, ensuring the right message reaches the right person. How does having a sales stack impact the sales process? Today's sales landscape is too fast and too complex for manual workflows. To scale, organizations move away from spreadsheets and into a sophisticated tech stack that automates the entire lifecycle, from the first touch to the final signature. These tools aren't just about speed, they are about removing the friction, ensuring that every deal is both profitable and compliant. Let's take a look at a set of softwares that makes an efficient sales tech stack. CRM, Customer Relationship Management, the central single source of truth that houses all customer data and interaction history. CPQ, Configure Price Quote, automates the creation of complex error-free quotes while enforcing company pricing rules. CLM, Contract Lifecycle Management, manages the drafting, redlining, and signing of contracts to accelerate the final handshake. Sales Engagement and Enablement, equips reps with the right content and training to engage buyers effectively at every stage. Lead Scoring and Intelligence, uses data to prioritize prospects, ensuring sales teams spend their time on the most likely buyers. Sales Automation, handles repetitive administrative tasks and follow-ups to keep the sales engine running 24/7. Thanks for watching. Want to dive deeper? Check out the full guide on sales at DealHub.io.